Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So in this particular tutorial, I just want to show you how I was able to achieve this simple bridal hairstyle. This is like a trending hairstyle. Look out for it. It's been trending since 2023 and it's going to trend more in 2025. So if you're a bridal hairstylist, this one is for you. Okay guys, so this is the model getting her makeup done. I'm not a makeup artist. I did not film a makeup tutorial. I just want to show you how I styled the hair. So I wasn't able to style it on her, but I decided to film it on my dummy head. So yeah, so this was what I did after I prepped the hair with water, mousse and drying. The reason why I always take that first step is because I want to take it with freeze. So after I did that, I'm going to share that technique in another tutorial. You want to subscribe to this channel because there's a lot coming. So after I did that, the next thing I did was putting the hair in a ponytail like you see me do, right? I tied it into a ponytail because that's like the base, and then you want to make sure that your ponytail is smooth. Like you don't want a part of the ponytail looking rough and all of that, and that's the one reason why your the wig that you're using, the client is wearing, has to be constructed properly. So if you're interested in a wig making course, I have a wig making course. I'll show you how to create bump free wigs. So yeah, after I created that, you saw what I did, right? I twisted the pony and then I had my stylist assisting me with elastic band, basically. Sorry, it's not elastic band, with a rubber band. So I tied it. Now tying it helped me to secure it. It made it firm. I'm just trying to explain the why behind my technique, okay? And then I went on to still smoothing out that section that I'm holding there. I sprayed to take out frizz, and then I smoothing and sectioning. These are all like styling techniques that you want to gain mastery of. You want to know how to use them. Okay, so the reason for smoothing is just to smoothing, obviously, to clear out and take out frizz. So you can see me after smoothing, I'm wrapping that section around the bun. I'm around the ponytail, the middle of the ponytail. I'm wrapping it around. If you want to make your the wrap that you're using, going to wrap the ponytail smaller, not this chunky, you want to use a shorter wig. Yeah, so the length of the wig that you're using also determines the outcome. Okay, so I know some people who cannot even work with 20-inch hair. It has to be like 16-18 inches, so the length of the hair matters. Okay, so that is what I did here. I smoothed it out. You can see me using my smoothing brush. I love this brush so much. It's also one of the brushes that I used to tease when I'm styling. So I'm going to smoothing. You can see I'm spraying, and then I'm going to use the brush to smoothen. Spraying helps to take away frizz, and then using the brush helps to smoothen it out. I don't know if that makes sense. They will go hand in hand. So that's what I did. I smoothed out even the bottom section. So this hair kind of looks a little bit different from what's on the model, but it's actually the same style. It looks different because it's not on a human, okay, but it's the same style. So yeah, don't be afraid of spraying. I know most people are always saying, won't spray spoil, it's not going to spoil anything. So I proceeded to using my bobby pin to just put in there as an extra way to secure the hair. Another way to secure it with that bobby pin is to spray that hair, spray it, like soak it in with the spray, and then dry it out with a blow dryer. It's going to stay all day. It's not going to shift. So yeah, okay, so you can see me, I'm just trying to play around with the bottom of the hair. So I've even done this style with, and it was looking like an inverted pyramid, that kind of shape. So it just depends on you, but for that kind of shape you'd want to tease it. So that's how I achieved this look, and I hope you try it out and let me know how it works out for you. Drop a comment in the comment section. So she was getting her makeup, she was almost done with her makeup here. They were just adding finishing touches. Makeup was done by Glitz and Foy, and this, yeah, is the finished look. I hope you learned something from this. Just watch it over and over, and you know it's going to stick. It's a very easy style, but it's trending because brides just want to look very simple, graceful, classy, and detailed at the same time. That bun is a detail on its own. So yeah, it's a style that, if you're a bridal hairstylist, you want to practice, if you're not already, do it as a shoot. That's one of the ways to help you stand out. So yeah, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.